Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We're back to Simple Home, and tonight we are here with my sister Lindsay. We've been helping her move in her apartment all day, and we are here at HomeGoods to pick up some essentials and things that she needs for her new place.
Okay, Lindsay, have you thought about your color palette, what you want to do?
I think I really love natural stuff. I want very neutral colors. So I do love grays. I like whites or creams. I know those are kind of, need to kind of decide what direction I want to go with that. But
and sometimes you can mix the two, you know, have some different shades of whites and neutrals. A lot of times you want to maybe introduce one color, you know, just to make it a little bit more interesting. So anyway, so just be thinking about that. That way we can see what we can do to help you out.
Destination. We found some things for Lindsay at HomeGoods, but there are still some things that she really needs. So we came to Target to see what else we can find.
I think I found my perfect job.
What is it?
I'm so excited. It is the ultimate organizational challenge. I want you to see this.
Wow.
I think this would keep me busy for at least a couple of hours.
Does it make you cringe a little bit?
A little cringe worthy, but it is, it would be a challenge.
Well, I mean, go ahead and maybe someone will come and start paying you. They can get pretty rough, huh?
Very huge need of help, yes.
I think you're their woman.
I am the one.
Alright, so we just made it back to Lindsay's apartment from shopping, and we wanted to show you guys what we got. This is her first time living on her own after college, and there was a lot of stuff you didn't have.
college, you don't invest in pieces and you don't really care what looks cute. So I got rid of a lot of stuff, and so don't have much. So we're just.
And a lot of your roommates had some of these things that you didn't even need to.
So we all kind of brought stuff. So
we're on the floor because this is move-in day today, and there's no furniture in her apartment. So we're doing this haul on the floor. We'll just jump right into it and show you what we got from HomeGoods first. These are so cute. Do you want to tell them what these are?
I love these. So these are measuring cups, and I love them. They're super cute, and they, at the bottom, it kind of shows how much they hold. Anyway, so I'm actually really excited about these. They're just kind of a little different.
I love this stone. It looks so much like you, because you really like the natural look.
I feel like I'm like realizing that even more so, because I'm like, oh, I love white, and I'm like, I just love the natural stone. So I definitely gravitate more to that.
And then you found lots of wooden spoons.
Yes, I actually use these all the time, and so I love these, especially because they don't scratch my pots and pans, and so I love cooking with wooden spoons. So I stocked up on them tonight.
Yes. And this, another thing that's kind of the same type of look. So cute. To hold these.
Yeah.
So you're gonna set it up on your counter. Yeah.
I love that.
That's really cute. Let's see what else you got from HomeGoods. You needed.
Yes, I had to have these, or else I would have burn my hands a lot. So I thought these are super cute, very neutral colors. And I just kind of like the partial hand. It's not the full.
Yeah.
Anyways, I just really like this.
And you got some bakeware, some really cute bakeware. I love this one.
I know. I love how much it holds. I don't need like really massive ones. But I love the size of it, and again, it still has a kind of natural feel, almost like pottery kind of. So I really like that a lot.
You didn't have anything like this to hold your all your flatware.
I've lived in places where they just put the silverware in the drawers, and it's so chaotic, and this is much needed. So it just kind of helps bring a little calm to your silverware drawer.
Okay, what else did you get from HomeGoods?
Yeah, so I got just like little, these are just like little trinkety things that I needed. So like a peeler. I got some of these knives. So I don't need a ton of knives, but anyway, so I just thought I would try these out and see if I like them. I also got these cookie sheets, because when you're baking, you can never have enough cookie sheets. And then another thing that I got is, okay, these are little storing containers. I love glass storing containers. And I love the neutral lid. A lot of times they come up with like really bright colors. So I really like that it's just like a simple gray. Anyways, and so you can just store your leftovers. And
I love that. I just got some glass containers for my house, and I didn't realize how hard it was to find the little rubber part that's not like a bright color.
Yes.
So I love just the gray.
Yes, this brand,
awesome.
the Mason brand, literally, I love them. They've all been neutral that I've found of them. And they're really affordable. They're like cheaper than Pyrex, so I was really excited by this.
Yeah, those are neat. And the rest of the stuff came from Target. This is very exciting to me. I love dishes. So you got all your dishes there.
Yes, I know. So you get 4 dinner plates, 4 salad plates, 4 coffee mugs, and 4 bowls. And again, they're just like very simple, just like whites, which is great. And then the plates, very simple. Things just look, okay, I was going back and forth between black and white because I love both of those colors. But honestly, food just plates really well and looks really good on white.
And then little bowls.
Yes,
so
and then
cute.
these are, just the little white bowls. Very simple. There's nothing really on them. So I loved it. It's not distracting. It's very basic. So I really like that a lot.
And then there's some small plates in here too.
And then just kind of wanting to add another little like color and dimension to the plates, I got these really cute black, I got 4 of them. These little black pottery looking mugs, which is really fun. I like those a lot. I'm a big coffee fan, so
now you can invite me over for coffee and we can drink from these mugs.
Exactly.
And then the last couple of things from Target were your flatware.
Yes. And these are, super simple. I, again, was going to, I love black silverware as well. I was curious about wear and tear with black silverware. So, just went with the basic silver silverware.
And then your glasses.
Yeah.
Let's see, so there's short ones.
Yes.
And then there's taller ones down.
Yes. And I love these. They're so good. They kind of look like juice glasses a little bit. But I really like that.
So I think we got some really good stuff, and I can't wait to get it all in your cabinets and drawers and get everything organized and see how it looks. So thank you guys so much for watching. We had a lot of fun shopping for Linsey's apartment. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are not subscribed already, please subscribe to our channel, and we will see you guys in our next video. Bye guys.